In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use a simple Google search to reach the official WooCommerce site, open the extensions marketplace, and find the Advanced Shipment Tracking Pro for WooCommerce listing. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. This is the quickest and most reliable way to get to the official site. When results appear, look for the official domain at woocommerce.com. It should be near the top. If you see ads first, scroll past them and choose the organic result for the official WooCommerce website. As a quick safety check, confirm you're on a secure page with the padlock icon next to the URL. Click the WooCommerce result to open the site. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation. We're going to the area where add-ons and plugins live. Find the extensions link in the main menu. Depending on your screen size, it might be in a top navigation bar or within a menu icon on mobile. Click Extensions to enter the marketplace, where you can browse and search for tools that extend your store's functionality. On the Extensions page, look for the search bar. This is usually at the top or prominently placed so you can quickly find what you need. In the search field, type Advanced Shipment Tracking Pro for WooCommerce. Use the full name for the most accurate results, but even starting with Advanced Shipment Tracking should bring it up. This extension is all about streamlining order fulfillment by adding tracking numbers, connecting to a wide range of carriers, and notifying customers as their packages move. After the results load, locate the listing titled Advanced Shipment Tracking Pro for WooCommerce and click it. Before you go any further, this is a good moment to confirm you're on the correct product page. Check that the title matches exactly. Skim the description for features like multiple carrier support and automated shipment updates, and look for compatibility details so you know it works with your current WooCommerce and WordPress versions. It can also be helpful to review the screenshots, changelog, and any documentation or FAQs linked on the page to understand how it fits into your workflow. That's it. You used Google to reach WooCommerce, went straight to extensions, searched for Advanced Shipment Tracking Pro for WooCommerce, and opened the product page so you can evaluate it confidently. Pause the video if you need to revisit any part and follow along at your own pace.